Welcome to our second lecture in the Blue Team series, focusing on the Zero Trust security model. As traditional boundaries dissolve with cloud and remote work, the assumption that inside is safe no longer holds. We will cover the core principles, architecture, and practices defining Zero Trust. What exactly is Zero Trust? It's a cybersecurity model built on the principle, never trust, always verify. No user, device, or system is automatically trusted, even if inside the network. Every access request must be verified, authenticated, authorized, and continuously monitored. Traditional perimeter-based defense relied on clear network boundaries and firewalls. Today's distributed reality includes remote work, mobile devices, and cloud infrastructure. Since attackers can bypass traditional network boundaries with stolen credentials, security must shift from boundary defense to continuous identity validation. In a zero-trust model, identity is the new perimeter. Access decisions are based on real-time context, including user identity verified through MFA, device identity and compliance, location and context, and behavior patterns that detect anomalies. Zero Trust demands continuous verification, not just a one-time login event. Security systems monitor login behavior, device health, network activity, and risk indicators. If a user's context changes, the system can re-authenticate, block access, or terminate the session in real time. Microsegmentation divides networks into small, isolated security zones with strict communication policies. This contains potential breaches and prevents lateral movement if one system is compromised. Examples include isolating finance systems, HR systems, and cloud workloads. Least privilege access ensures users and systems receive only the minimum permissions necessary to perform required tasks. This includes eliminating default admin rights, using temporary access that expires, and scoping permissions to specific resources and actions. Zero Trust architecture integrates multiple security technologies into a unified defense environment. This includes identity verification via IAM/MFA, endpoint security with EDR, segmentation, continuous monitoring with SIEM, and policy enforcement for least privilege access. Zero Trust is a strategy and architectural approach, not a single product to buy. Adoption is accelerated by the rise of modern ransomware. Key actions involve strengthening identity security, improving network segmentation, reducing privileges, and monitoring user behavior for increased visibility. The key takeaways are: never trust, always verify. Zero Trust is identity-based, continuous, segmented, and relies on least privilege. As Blue Team professionals, Zero Trust helps you build stronger architectures. Join us next for Cloud Security Fundamentals.